Hey guys, I'm happy to announce a new exciting update to the Ask IHL chatbot. You can now do things that you've never been able to do before. You've always been able to ask Sophia questions, pull in information like who's the COO of Vitamin Shop, but now you have the ability to ask about current events, get forecasts for key technologies, as well as get my input into your presentations, all as part of your advisory subscription. So let's look at a forecast by region for computer vision. You can run that and it's going to give you that information. Or next, what if you wanted to talk about current events? There's new 20% tariff on Vietnam. How's that going to impact retail? And this will take current events and filter it through the lens of my historical items and talk about what situations does it impact. And you can share that by voice, or you can get that once again in the chat interface. And finally, the one that I'm most excited about is I can actually be your coach through presentations, or even if you're going to call on a specific client. So for instance, I'm going to add a presentation that we've got here on RFID. And so I'm going to ask, can you coach me through this presentation and give you an idea of where IHL data may be able to enhance it? And the system will go through and give you that information now. So we're excited about this new capability. Check it out. You get access when you log into Sophia. Up in the upper left-hand corner, Ask IHL AI. Enjoy. Let us know what you think, and we thank you so much for your support.